Okay. I got you. With me here today are amazing PC components from XPG and ASUS. Why XPG you ask? Because just like you, I want to game to the extreme. And XPG is ADATA's gaming sub-brand allowing XPG to provide extreme performance gear for gamers who crave an extreme gaming experience like you and me. Without further ado, let's dive right into my PC building. Starting off our build with the motherboard. This is the ASUS Strix Z690E motherboard. And the reason why I chose this motherboard is because it has an LGA 1700 socket for the 12th Gen's Intel CPU. But what sets it apart is that it has the fastest gaming connectivity because it supports PCIe 5.0, Dual Gen 4, M.2 and even Thunderbolt 4. The motherboard is amazing because it has Q-latch for easy access with screws, so even you are a beginner or an amateur, it will come in handy. Next up, let's do the star of the show, shall we? The chosen one is the XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 6000MHz 16GB RAM.
Oppa, why this RAM? No other RAM?
Hear me out. This is DDR5 RAM has unlocked a whole new level of speed, allowing it to reach frequency of up to 6000 megatransfer per second, making this 50% higher than DDR4 RAM, resulting in great gaming performance and even overclocking.
Fun fact, did you know that XPG has a lot of gaming RAMs available for you in the market? And that's not all, the XPG Lancer DDR5 takes after the looks and pretty design of XPG top DDR4 products in the market, the XPG D50.
If you're unsure what that means, let me just show you in game. The game I'm playing looks incredibly smooth and draw-worthy. It makes me feel super immersed as if I am actually teleported inside. I can even stream while playing games too without lagging or frame rate dropping, and it's all because of my RAM. It's super duper OP. Okay, let's go back to our PC build. And that's not all. The RAM comes with on-die correcting code, which corrects error in real time, allowing increased stability and reliability, which improves overall performance whether it's for casual surfing or hardcore rich gaming. How it looks also doesn't disappoint, okay? The Lancer RGB DDR5 RAM comes in two colors which are black and white, allowing you to mix and match with your favorable build. The RGB strip on the RAM can be customized according to how you want the lighting to be displayed. After RAM, we should place an SSD inside the slot, shouldn't we? The XPG GameX S70 Blade PCIe Gen 4x4 M.2 SSD will blow this build away because the name suggests it's sharp as a blade. Jokes aside, this SSD has the latest PCIe Gen 4 interface that allows sequential read and write performance of up to 7400 and 6800 MB per second, making it 2 times faster than the previous generation of SSDs. Time to install the motherboard on our XPG Defender Pro Mid Tower in black. Yes, there's also a variant in white, but I'm just feeling the black today. This casing is a case for E80X builds and has a solid mesh front panel with ARGB strips for an added dramatic lighting design. For airflow, it comes with 3 CPG Vento 128 RGB included fans, so all the hot airs can leave your PC, allowing optimal cooling. If you are scared about your PC not being cool enough, the XPG Levante 240 addressable RGB CPU cooler has an all-in-one water cooling solution and an aluminium 240mm radiator to disperse water and heat at an incredible rate. Oh, still scared the cooling is not enough? We will use the XPG Vento Pro 120 PMW fans to really take a cooling to a whole new level as it teamed up with the Nidec Gentle Typhoon to provide nothing but the best. For more RGB, we have the XPG Prime ARGB extension cable. This is to brighten up your life like how I brighten up mine. To power up our almost completed baby, we are using the XPG Core Reactor Modular 850W power supply. This PSU comes with an 80+ Gold certification and an all-premium 100% Japanese capacitors, making it premium and trusted. Last but not least, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 3070 GPU to make our games stand out. It uses NVIDIA's Ampere streaming multiprocessor, which makes for the best and fastest GPUs in the market. Ta-da! We are done with our PC build, so what are we waiting for? Let's turn on the baby. what are we waiting for? Let's turn on the baby. Ôi, nó lạnh á.
后面会拍的。
Okay guys, now the PC is up and running. Let's go play some game. This is it for Oppa's new PC build, brought to you by ADATA and ASUS. Now that I show you how to build one, go get the same parts for yourselves from the link in the description box and games to your heart fullest extent. Oppa wants to continue gaming, so if you have any question, just comment down below and I will respond to you afterwards. Okay? Bye guys, this is Fancy!